The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, showers were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles north of Mexico Beach to near Empire like a wreck, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include St. George Island, K-Tower, and Apalachicola. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.